Today, we're diving into some of the coolest tech and lifestyle gadgets you'll want to add to your setup from Amazon. From smart robots to futuristic glasses, these products aren't just tools, they're experiences. Stick around until the end because you'll discover something that could transform your daily routine. Imagine a robot that's more than just a gadget, it's a family companion. The Enabot EBO Air 2 Plus is a movable home camera robot with a stunning 3K resolution lens, two-way video, and even an AI chat mode. You can drive it around to check on pets, chat with loved ones, or let it capture everyday moments with night vision. With a 5,000 mAh battery and auto recharge, it's always ready when you are. At $399.99, it's not just a camera, it's a presence in your home, keeping you connected whether you're across the room or across the world. Picture your kids waving at EBO or your dog chasing it down the hallway. It's security, entertainment, and companionship rolled into one. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. The Roborock Saros Z70 is a futuristic vacuum and mop combo with a 5-axis OmniGrip mechanical arm that can move small objects like socks or tissues out of the way. With 22,000 PA suction, dual spinning mops, and hot water cleaning, it tackles dirt and stains like a pro. Its ultra-slim 3.14-inch design glides under furniture, while advanced StarSight 3D navigation avoids obstacles with precision. The multifunctional dock handles everything: dust emptying, mop washing, detergent dispensing, and even warm air drying, so you barely lift a finger. At $1,999.99, it's a premium investment, but imagine coming home to spotless floors at a robot that tidies as it cleans. That's not just convenience, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Charging has never felt this smart. The Anker Smart Display Charger is a compact powerhouse, delivering up to 45-watt GaN fast charging, enough to juice your iPhone 17 Pro to 50% in just 20 minutes. But here's the twist. It has a built-in smart display that shows real-time charging status and even lets you switch to care mode, lowering temperature to extend battery life. With its 180-degree foldable plug, it fits neatly into tight spaces and is nearly half the size of older chargers. At just $29.99, down from $39.99, it's a steal for anyone who wants speed, safety, and style in one pocket-sized block. Imagine plugging in at night and waking up to a charger that cared for your battery while you slept. That's Anker innovation. If you've ever wished your MacBook Pro could instantly transform into a full desktop powerhouse, the Ascrono docking station makes it happen. Designed exclusively for the 16-inch MacBook Pro 2021 to 2026, M1 through M5 Pro and Max, this vertical dock connects seamlessly with Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, delivering blazing 40 gigabit speeds and support for dual displays. Slide your MacBook in, watch the green light glow, and suddenly your workspace is clutter-free, elegant, and efficient. At $229.99, it's a premium upgrade that bridges portability with productivity, turning your laptop into the heart of a professional desktop setup. Step into the future with the RayNeo Air 3S Pro AR/XR glasses. These aren't just glasses, they're a window into augmented reality. Watch movies on a massive virtual screen, play immersive games, or explore apps in ways you've never imagined. At about $300, they're surprisingly accessible for cutting-edge tech. Breathe easier with the Dreame Smart Air Purifier. Designed to tackle dust, allergens, and odors, it keeps your home's air fresh and clean. With smart controls, you can monitor air quality in real time and adjust settings from your phone. At around $639, it's a health investment that pays off daily. Imagine waking up without sneezing or coughing, just pure, clean air filling your lungs. Learning meets fun with the drawing robot for kids. This little device teaches children to draw step by step, turning creativity into play. It's like having a personal art tutor at home. At just $60, it's a gift that sparks imagination and builds skills. Picture your child proudly showing off a drawing they made with their robotic friend. It's priceless. Movie nights just got epic with the XGIMI MoGo 4 portable projector. Compact yet powerful, it delivers crisp visuals and booming sound anywhere you go. Whether it's a backyard cinema or a cozy bedroom setup, this projector makes every night special. At around $440, it's a ticket to endless entertainment. Imagine transforming a blank wall into a 100-inch screen in seconds. That's MoGo magic. Light up your world with the Govee Floor Lamp 2. Sleek, modern, and customizable, it lets you set the mood with millions of colors. Sync it with music, movies, or just your vibe. At about $125, it's more than a lamp, it's an atmosphere creator. Imagine hosting a party where the lights dance to the beat. Your living room becomes the stage. Turn your TV into a cinematic experience with the Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite. These smart LEDs react to what's on screen, extending colors beyond the frame. At around $70, it's a budget-friendly way to make movie nights immersive. Imagine watching a sunset scene and seeing your entire wall glow with warm hues. It's breathtaking. Relaxation meets technology with the RENPHO Eye Massager. Heated pads, gentle vibrations, and soothing music combine to melt away stress. Perfect after long screen hours, it's like a spa for your eyes. At just $60, it's self-care made simple. Imagine ending your day with a 15-minute eye massage. You'll sleep better and feel refreshed. Picture this. You're hosting a party. The food is ready, but keeping it warm feels impossible. Enter the LAUDLIFE electric warming mat, a roll-up silicone heating pad that transforms any countertop into a buffet station. With 7 adjustable temperature levels ranging from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it keeps dishes perfectly warm for up to 99 hours. Its 24 by 16-inch surface heats evenly in just 8 seconds, and the foldable design makes storage effortless. Safety isn't overlooked either, thanks to the built-in child lock. Stylish and dark blue, it's water and oil resistant, easy to clean, and built to last. Imagine serving guests hot piping food without stress. This mat makes entertaining effortless. Magic John 240-watt 4-in-1 charging cable. One cable to rule them all. The Magic John 240-watt 4-in-1 charging cable. With multiple connectors and fast charging, it's perfect for travelers or gadget lovers. At just $30, it eliminates cable clutter and keeps you powered up. Imagine carrying one cable instead of 4 for convenience in your pocket. Never guess your battery's health again. The Dlyfull Universal Battery Checker LCD display works with multiple battery types, showing real-time status. At about $20, it's a must-have for anyone using cameras, toys, or remotes. Imagine knowing exactly when to recharge or replace. No more surprises mid-use. Soothe aches and pains with the Bedsure Heating Pad. Soft, flexible, and effective, it delivers gentle warmth to sore muscles. At about $35, it's affordable relief you'll use daily. Imagine curling up on the couch with comforting heat easing your back. It's therapy at home. And that's our lineup of amazing gadgets, from robots to relaxation tools, each one designed to make life smarter, easier, or just more fun. Which one caught your eye? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech discoveries. Until next time, stay curious and stay inspired.